This laboratory was given a prize by the European Union in 2011. We got the Platinum Seal of E-Excellence in Latin America. So now we are a group of neuroscientists and psychologists and marketeers working all together to try to do things in neuromarketing. So let's move on and speak about the Neuropyramid. And we will start with the first step. The first step, which is attention. And attention has some parts of the brain which are related to attention, which I will show you in a moment. We have three components, main three components in the attention process. The first component is arousal. Arousal meaning being awake. If we have to pay attention, we have to be awake. And if we are actively awake, then attention would be better. If we are drowsy and sleepy, the attention will go down. So the first thing is arousal. And I will tell you in a moment which parts of the brain take place in arousal system. The second part of the attention is what I call filtration. We have to filter information. And the third thing is orientation. So we will speak about these three features of attention. The first one, which is arousal. This is the part of the brain which is mostly related to attention, because what the reticular formation, which is here in the brainstem, does is activating all the cortex. It's producing a tonic effect, activating the cortex, so the cortex will be able to process all the information. The cortex is where all the thinking takes place. So the first thing is arousal. What arousal produces is, we can see that the EEG, which is all these oscillations of activity in the cortex, if we are more attentive, the frequencies will start going up and the voltage will start going down. There's an inverse relation from frequency and voltage on the EEG. The second part, which is filtration, we have to filter information, because the brain, although it's a very powerful machine, very powerful computer, has to do many things all the time. In this precise moment, our brains are taking care of our kidneys, of our respiration, of our temperature. It's sensing all the parts of the body, and it's producing some tonic effects on the muscles and all those things. So in order for this computer to process information, we have to get rid of most of the information that comes from the environment. And one of the main components, main parts of the brain, which are related to filtration, is the thalamus. The thalamus is here, is this structure, red structure here with a number 10. All the senses go through the thalamus, and the thalamus filtrates, eliminates most of the information. In this picture, in this slide, you can see all the information that all the senses are capable of sensing, but here you see only the information that gets to conscious. This is amazing, because you see that most of it is get rid of. I'm going to give you an example.